maraming salamat dahil maraming kumuha nung ino-offer natin na yan na dami ticket at nakarating po sila ng walang issue dito sa kanilang papupuntahan sa Canada, dito sa iba't ibang parte ng province, no? Yung dami ticket is a really great way para makatipid ka, no? If you want to really save, na hindi mo kailangan bumili ng actual return ticket, kasi yung dami ticket is only cost, binabaan namin. Dati we sell it for $400, but now we only sell it around Canada for only $300 na lang po. Murang-mura na siya, no? So, yon, maraming nag-avail sa atin. Thank you so much and maraming salamat at nakarating ng walang issue kayo lahat dito. Yun po, instead of you buying a return ticket which is will cost you around $1,500 or $2,000, no?